Welcome to our lecture online. Our next example is a little bit tricky. You need to be able to see right through this one. It's one of those general cases again where we see the letter n as one of the exponents. Now there isn't a lot we can do with the denominator, but in the numerator we should recognize that as a difference of squares, because what we can do here is write it as follows. This can be written as 4x to the 2n quantity squared. If you square the 4 you get 16. If you square the x to the 2n, basically we have an exponent raised to exponent, so we multiply exponents. 2 times 2n gives us 4n. And then we have minus 1 squared, of course. 1 squared is still 1. And so recognize the numerator as the difference of squares. The denominator will stay the same, 2x to the n plus 1. But now, since we have the difference of squares, we can write that as the product of two binomials with a plus and a minus sign as follows. This can be written as 4x to the 2n plus 1 times 4x to the 2n minus 1, all divided by 2x to the n plus 1. And then again, notice that this binomial here is the difference of squares again. That can be written as follows. This can be written as 4x to the 2n plus 1. Nothing changes here. But over here, this can be written as the quantity 2x to the n quantity squared. Because if we square the 2, we get 4. If we square the x to the n, we get x to the 2n. Because again, we're multiplying exponents. And this can be written as minus 1 quantity squared. So notice that this can be written as the difference of squares again. And we can factor it as follows. In the denominator, we have 2x to the n plus 1. So let's come over here and finish that. So here we still have the 4 times x to the 2n plus 1. But now this can be written as 2x to the n plus 1 times 2x to the n minus 1, because that's how we factor the difference of squares. In the denominator, we still have 2x to the n plus 1. And then realize that this binomial and this is identical, so these cancel out. And so we're left with 4x to the 2n plus 1 multiplied times 2x to the n minus 1. And that, let's see here. Could we still factor that? No, we can, because we cannot write 2 as something squared. Well, square root of 2 squared, but we don't want to do that. So that's probably the simplest form we can leave it in. And that is how it's done.